Have you ever thought about what goes into making your favorite bubbly drink? Today we're taking a look behind the scenes at the amazing journey of Coca-Cola production. This isn't just any drink, it's a global icon that satisfies the thirst of over 1.9 billion people every day. The story starts with its secret formula, created in 1886 when Atlanta pharmacist John Pemberton invented a unique remedy for headaches. Just 2 years later, in 1888, he sold this secret recipe to entrepreneur Asa Candler for only $2,300. Candler then turned Coca-Cola into the global sensation we know today. This recipe has since become one of the most closely guarded secrets in American business, known only to 2 anonymous people at the company and stored securely in a vault at the World of Coca-Cola Museum in Atlanta. And yes, you can go see it, sort of. Visitors can view the outside of the vault, but not the actual formula. The vault is protected by high-tech security like a palm scanner, a code pad, and a big steel door, fueling curiosity and adding to the mystery of this famous drink. Today, this prized formula is called beverage concentrate and remains in strict secrecy, with the exact location of its production kept hidden from the public. Now, you're probably wondering how this formula can be such a closely guarded secret when the ingredients are printed on every bottle and can. That's because, while the ingredients are mostly transparent, the inclusion of natural flavors remains unclear. Coca-Cola maintains that these flavors are derived from a variety of sources, including botanicals and vegetables. This mysterious blend is what gives Coca-Cola its signature taste, keeping the exact formula a tantalizing secret. However, approximately 90% of the formula at the plant is water, sourced from on-site wells, thoroughly sanitized, and put through a nano filtration process to ensure absolute purity, providing the perfect base for the beverage. This meticulous water treatment guarantees that every bottle of Coke delivers the same crisp, refreshing taste. Now, with the secret formula in hand, let's journey inside the factory to see how every bottle of Coca-Cola is brought to life. It all starts with Coca-Cola's secret syrup. Surprisingly, it's not guarded by security, but arrives simply on a forklift in plastic jugs. This syrup is the essence of Coke, and when diluted with water in a mixing unit, it creates the base we all love. But it's not only mixed with water. After the syrup is diluted, precise amounts of natural or artificial sweeteners are added, depending on the product. For instance, high fructose corn syrup is used for classic Coca-Cola, while aspartame is chosen for Diet Coke and Coke Zero. This mixture of syrup, water, and sweetener is then blended and pumped through an intricate system of pipes into a succession of batch tanks in an adjoining room. Next, the mixture flows to the votator at the mixing station, where it meets its fizzy partner, CO2. This carbonator does the crucial job of infusing the mix with carbon dioxide, giving it that hiss sound when you open the drink. Before the bottles can be filled, they must be spotless. They arrive fresh from the factory but still get a thorough rinse. The rinsing machine flips them upside down, flushes them with filtered water, then returns them upright, ready for the next step. Now, the bottles are labeled before any Coke touches them. This ensures every bottle is branded perfectly with the iconic red and white logo. This hot melt modular labeling machine works with precision, swiftly affixing each label with precise alignment and accuracy on a large scale. But the quality checks don't stop there. A high-tech inspection machine scans every cleaned bottle for defects, like cracks or improper seals. Any bottle that doesn't pass inspection is removed from the line. Then comes the filling. The syrup mixture, kept at a precise 41 to 43 degrees, flows into the bottles. This careful temperature control ensures every bottle is filled perfectly, guaranteeing stability and preventing foaming. Once filled, the bottles head to the filler's reservoir, where air is removed and each bottle is filled with a specific amount of Coca-Cola. Then the caps come flying down a chute propelled by compressed air and are twisted onto the bottles. The capping machine ensures that each cap is sealed tightly, locking in the carbonation. But it's not over yet. The glass bottles get an aluminum crown that's crimped on securely by the crown capping machine. Then, the bottles travel through a warmer, where they're brought to room temperature to prevent them from sweating during packaging. Finally, they undergo one last inspection to catch any impurities before being hoisted into cases. Cans follow a similar journey. First, they're prepared and cleaned by the can cleaning system, ensuring they're in perfect condition. The syrup is mixed with water and sweeteners, then pumped into the filling lines. Cans are filled with a carefully balanced mixture, just like the bottles. Capping the cans is just as precise. A dedicated worker oversees the can seamer, making sure it never runs out of caps. Each can is tightly sealed, ensuring the carbonation stays intact. After capping, the cans are washed and inspected by advanced machines. High-speed cameras and sensors check for misaligned seams or accidental spills, ensuring only the best cans move forward. Now, it's time for packaging. Once the bottles are filled and capped, they're wrapped in cardboard for protection. The cardboard is unwound from a reel, cut to the correct length and shape to fit around the bottles. This wraparound packaging is then secured with pre-folded clips, ensuring the bottles stay in place during transit. It's like tucking them in for a safe journey. After being wrapped in cardboard, the bottles are shrink-wrapped for added protection. The shrink wrap is applied tightly, providing a secure, tamper-proof seal that keeps the bottles safe and intact throughout their journey. The cans are carefully packed into sturdy boxes. Machines ensure that these boxes are precisely the right size to hold the cans securely, minimizing movement during transit. Think of it as a perfect puzzle where every piece fits just right. Once the cans are packed, they are shrink wrapped to secure them for shipping. This process involves wrapping a plastic film around the boxes and heating it to shrink the film tightly around the cans. Shrink wrapping ensures that the cans stay firmly in place. The bottle cases are then sorted and stacked by automated systems. This step ensures everything is organized and ready for loading onto pallets, leading to quicker, smoother deliveries to stores, keeping shelves stocked and ready for you. Just like the bottles, the can cases are sorted and stacked with precision. This careful organization aids in the smooth handling and shipping of large quantities. The sorted cases are shrink wrapped to keep them stable during transport, reducing the risk of shifting during shipping. Robots then take over to organize the pallets. These machines stack the cases with precision, optimizing space and ensuring everything is secure. The robotic pallet organizers work efficiently to maximize stability and ensure that each pallet is perfectly balanced and ready for transport. Finally, the pallets are loaded onto trucks. Each load is carefully checked to ensure everything is secure and the trucks are packed efficiently. Once ready, they're off to distribution centers, delivering Coca-Cola to picnics and parties near you. And just like that, your favorite fizzy drink is on its way. If this caught your interest, go ahead and tap that like button and subscribe to Factorify. And while you're here, take a moment to check out our other exciting videos to discover how more of your favorite things are made. You won't want to miss them.